I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool.
Brown. This is sikwa. So right now we are here in the landahan. Hey guys, I am back here in the coconut farm after a few days. So right now we are here in the landahan. We called it landahan, where you dry the coconut flesh so it looks like this. After you harvest the coconut, this is the next stage where you remove the coconut flesh to the shell like that. Yeah.
I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel.
So this is the surroundings. There's so many coconuts.
I am made to be free.
And this one is the coconut where you spread all over around here, put fire and then smoke it, it will dry.
Well, I am made to be free. Been thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realized
After they dry it, brown. So these are the sack of rice, sack of coconut flesh. This is banana branch, and then they use it like a rope to tie like this, and it's strong. Yes, it's strong. And this is the needle. This. Wow. Dried coconut for sale for 19 pesos per kilo.
Maano ni ang sa uli. Balik lang mi anyang gabi dire.
Then after that, the shell turns like this if you smoke it. Yeah, after they smoke for whole day, and it looks like this. So that's the charcoal. So the charcoal per kilo is 15 pesos. So I think it's nice. It's a good deal. Labi po na yung kalo mo.
Juhi nang nasa drum, insulot.
Saan na yun? Nahugan na nung...
Lumaki! Alam ko pa di ay, di ko malo! Kanang makita. Pero hindi na matala ni tayo mo tiba, nila idali mo. Yun sila. Awin pa nila 15. Okay, kami ko yung bono karako.
Batig duha.
Abada na yung uyaw.
Yeah.
So, tana pa nila.
Na, abong kayo, buang.
Nita kayo eh. Sulig yun.
Naka ah. Yeah, kandos kong tupeng.
Ano?
Langka na.
Maybe. So that's the charcoal. Wow, bro.
Takulay na po.
So that's how you do it, and that's how you use the banana branch skin. I did long.
Naman?
Wala na video.
Wala na video?
Wala na video. My mom is a pro. Now they not die. Bubura po kayo na. Uy, hindi na maabot sa pikas. Taas magay ka diri, oh.
Singot. Halangan ni singot eh.
Super hot right now. Sweating all over. Tapos, naibot.
Wow. Wow.
Dayon, mana? So this is the banana branch skin. Yeah, they use it for like a rope.
Pili, ultimong bata nga. May paglutas ko ng
95.
55.
Ay, charo. I do come from was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. That's my choice. What I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me.
So we are here in relatives' house. We're going to have lunch because it's birthday, and when it's birthday, there's eat. Sampay na sa English na eh. Humba. And mga nata. So this is sampay na. The ingredients is pig blood and intestine. So we're walking, heading back to my auntie's place, auntie's house. I'm so full. We're done eating lunch. So this is my dad's farm. The veggies right here. We have okra, morning glory, moringa, and eggplant. So this is the morning glory, and that's the okra. This is also veggies, but I don't know the English name. Yeah. James. Ooh. Unsa ni ma? Gabon? Ma? Gabon? Tambok lagi. Dako kayo. This is a herbal leaf. You soak in the water and then you drink the water. I don't know the purpose, but that's a herbal leaf. Actually, this lot is not ours. The owner let us do a farm here. But if they will use the land, then we will remove our plants. This is ampalaya. This is beans. The lot that I bought, and this area would be a future road all the way there. This is sikwa. I don't know the English name, but it looks like that. And this is beans. We harvested the beans a few months ago. I showed the video of us removing the beans. Here's my security guard, James. He's so big, like huge from before. So this is the mom. Hi mama. Mama chick. Mama chick. These are the babies. Baby chicks. Hi. 9 pieces of chicken. Dayon. Ngatol na din naman.
Nagalapan. Wow!
Sampot. So I have a new package. All of this cost me 537 pesos. Okay, so these are for my cooking. So this kind of baking paper is hard to find here in my town, even in Tubod and Maranding. So I bought online. Also this one, this is for oil or something you want to spread, and this is, yeah, silicone. I think this is silicone. And also this one.
Ay, very good si Sam. Oy. Very good.
Day, mama. Oh.
Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the red button and subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates and for more exciting videos. Bye!
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.